clip, we're going to talk about the final adjustment for your drum style brakes. I got them pretty close with my pre-adjustment procedure. What you want out of it is for the tire to make one revolution if you spin it as hard as you can. As you can see, I got about 2.5. What that does is indicate that I'm close but not spot on. We're going to proceed to the back of the vehicle and make the fine-tune adjustments from there. What I'm going to do now, this rubber plug here is there to seal up the adjuster hole. We're going to have to slip a screwdriver in and under the plug, like so, and pop it out so we can gain access to our star wheel. And there you go. That is the plug for your adjusting hole. Once you have the plug removed, you can slide your screwdriver in. You're going to have to be a little gentle and feel around for the star wheel. You're going to adjust the star wheel up. As you can hear it turning right there until you have real good drag on your tire. I want you to pay particular attention to the audio because we're right there. You can hear the shoes just barely contacting the drum as I spin the wheel. And that is how you fine-tune your drum style brake adjustment. From there, you're going to want to reinstall your rubber plug just to seal the system up from the weather and elements. It's rubber, so you can go ahead and just squish it in there. I'll use my screwdriver. When it's properly seated, it will be sitting flat against the backing plate surface, just like so. And that is the proper way to fine-tune your drum brake adjustment.